So, pro tips. Gusto niyo po bang malaman? We have the 2x2x2 rule and okay, I will go through them one by one. Oral prophylaxis po. 2025 na, nakapag-visit na po ba kayo sa inyong dentista? Yes, thank you for your understanding. Ang konti ng nag-yes. In a year, you should visit your dentist at least twice a year. I'm promoting my colleagues. Hindi para magkaroon sila ng pera, but why I'm telling this to you? So you can win them. Inuna ko na yun. So you can win them. Visit your dentist, your relative, whoever it is, and have your teeth checked. Please, it's very important. Kahit gaano kaganda ang ating toothbrush, gaano ka-effective ang ating toothpaste, if you have that existing problem, that calcular deposit. Ano po bang calcular deposit? Yung pong matitigas. Usually you find them behind itong lower at saka dito na part ng yung ngipin. So we start with a clean slate this 2025. Bago natin i-promote ang ating oral care line, see to it na when we talk to our prospect or partners, whoever, maganda yung status ng ngipin natin. Lalong-lalo na yung hangin na lumalabas sa ating bunganga para hindi po sila ma-offend. How can they believe that our toothpaste is very good? Right? Amen. Alright, so we start with a clean slate. Alamin ko marami pong guilty, but nothing is late, okay? So you can start now, you can start tomorrow, or when you go back to your hometown. And then, sino po dito ang may sasakyan? Di ba kayo po ginagastosan nyo yung preventive maintenance service? Kahit magkanong 1,000 yan. But the cleaning of your teeth, yun lang. Busy ako, wala akong time. Yan na po. So please visit your dentist.